How to install Avast Antivirus. Step 1. Open your browser and search Avast. Step 2. Open the Avast official website. Step 3. Once the home page opens, click on Download Free Protection. Step 4. After the download is complete, open the file. Step 5. Select your preferred language. Step 6. In the Setup window, hover to the bottom and check or uncheck the Avast Secure Browser options. Step 7. Click on Install or Customize. Step 8. If you click on Customize, select the components of protection you want and click on Install. Step 9. If you have clicked on the Install button, wait for the installation to complete. Step 10. Once installed, the Avast Antivirus window will open. Step 11. Click on Continue. Step 12. Click on Continue with Free, or you can upgrade. Step 13. Click on Run First Scan. Step 14. Once the scan is finished, click Done. Step 15. If you have selected Install Avast Secure Browser, open Search and enter Avast. Step 16. Click on Avast Secure Browser. Step 17. In the Make Avast Secure Browser Your Own page, fill in the details. Step 18. Click on Finish Setup. For more such help and information, visit us at www.antivirustales.com or call us at +1 857 557 6826 +44 161 791 4591.